Hello and welcome to the channel. If you're someone who needs a rugged phone that can handle extreme conditions without sacrificing performance, you're in for a treat. Today, we're reviewing the DOOGEE S41 MAX rugged smartphone, a powerhouse designed to withstand the toughest environments. Whether you're a construction worker, adventurer, or just need a phone that can handle anything life throws at it, the DOOGEE S41 MAX might be the one for you. Let's dive into the features and see what makes this rugged smartphone so impressive. The DOOGEE S41 MAX is packed with features that make it stand out in the rugged smartphone market. First up, it's equipped with an impressive 6,300 mAh battery that can last up to 18 days on standby and deliver 27 hours of talk time. With this kind of battery life, you won't have to worry about constantly charging your phone. The reverse charging function is also a game changer, allowing you to charge other devices when you're in a pinch, making it perfect for people working in remote areas or on the go. The phone's rugged build is another highlight. With IP68, IP69K ratings, and MILSTD818 certification, the DOOGEE S41 MAX can handle dust, water, and extreme temperatures. Whether you're in the rain, on a dusty construction site, or hiking through rough terrain, this phone can take it all. It also features Android 13.0, ensuring you get a smooth user experience, enhanced privacy features, and the latest software updates. With 16 GB RAM and up to 1 TB of expandable storage, it's designed to run multiple apps smoothly and store all your important data. For photography, the 13MP AI camera allows you to capture clear, vibrant photos even in low light. Whether you're taking quick snapshots of your work site or capturing moments with friends, the DOOGEE S41 MAX ensures sharp, detailed images. The 5.5-inch HD Plus display gives you great clarity, and the phone's compact size makes it easy to carry without compromising screen quality. The DOOGEE S41 MAX is not just tough. It's packed with practical features that make it perfect for everyday use in harsh conditions. From NFC for payments to dual SIM support and accurate GPS navigation, this phone is ready to tackle any task you throw at it. If you're looking for a durable, feature-packed smartphone, the DOOGEE S41 MAX is definitely worth considering. So, is the DOOGEE S41 MAX the rugged phone you've been waiting for? With its impressive battery life, rugged design, and powerful features, it's hard to beat. If you're ready to experience a phone that works as hard as you do, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech products. Let us know your thoughts on the DOOGEE S41 MAX in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.